How long does it take to repair damage from airbag deployment? Have you ever wondered how long it takes to fix a car after the airbags have deployed? It's a question many drivers face after an accident. The timeline for repairs can vary significantly based on several factors. Let's break it down. When airbags deploy, it usually means the vehicle has experienced a significant impact. Modern cars often come equipped with multiple airbags, including frontal, side, and curtain airbags. Each of these is designed to protect passengers in different types of crashes. The deployment happens in milliseconds, triggered by sensors that detect sudden deceleration. The damage caused by airbag deployment can be extensive. It's not just about replacing the airbags. Airbag systems are single-use, meaning that once they deploy, you must replace the airbag modules, sensors, and sometimes the entire airbag control unit. The cost to replace a single airbag can range from $750 to $1,500. If multiple airbags deploy, the costs can add up quickly, which is something insurance companies consider when deciding whether to repair or total the vehicle. Now let's talk about the actual repair time. If the vehicle only needs airbag replacement and has minimal additional damage, the repair process might take just a few days to a week. This assumes that the necessary parts are readily available. However, if the accident caused extensive body or frame damage, repairs could take several weeks or even months. Delays often happen due to parts back orders, especially for newer or less common vehicle models, or if the repair shop is busy. From the perspective of auto insurance, the decision to repair or declare a vehicle a total loss depends on the repair cost compared to the car's actual cash value before the accident. Most insurance companies use a threshold, often around 70% to 75% of the car's value, to determine if a car is totaled. Because airbag replacement is expensive, even a moderate accident with airbag deployment can push repair costs over this threshold. It's important for policyholders to know that airbag deployment does not automatically mean the car is totaled, but it does increase the likelihood. If the insurance company decides to repair the vehicle, the policyholder should ensure that all airbag components are replaced according to manufacturer specifications. Reusing or refurbishing airbags is generally illegal and unsafe. Policyholders should also review the repair estimate carefully. If anything seems unclear, it's wise to ask questions, as inflated repair costs could affect the insurer's decision. Repairing damage from airbag deployment is a multi-step process that depends on the severity of the accident, the number of airbags deployed, parts availability, and the repair shop's capacity. Understanding these factors can help you navigate the auto insurance claims process more effectively.